So I think he has taken a lot of advice from us. I think, yeah, that's a really interested interaction with them, with the people of his factory and with him, and he's very excited and plan to decide take some of these implementation try out. So we met him in 2019, and then in 2020 again the same Mr. Samrat Kumar is having a lot of insight about his operations. Now you see that he's so fascinated. He said, "You call me Mr. Samarth Kumar. I'm not Samrat now. I don't want to be become smart. I want to be more Samarth actually, because with this kind of an implementation, I feel myself more capable actually." So now he is Mr. Samarth Kumar now. He's into 16 years of business, because 15 he was there in 2019, and last 1 year he did a lot of improvement. He reached to a turnover target of 14. So he grows his business actually. He made it to 14.5 crore from 9.5 crores in the past year. Significant reduction in the rejection is the key achievement he was mentioning, and appreciating that the 0.5% is really nice actually. And he's able to save a lot of money into that. So most of the money he is able to convert into the profit also. So now he has modernized his factory to some extent. So and now he also named his facility as a Samarth Auto Components Private Limited, rather than why it should be remain as a Samrat only. So now his facility is with his old previous machines also. He has replaced some of those machines with a new numerical control machines, CNC machines, as per the requirement that he has. He also tried to experiment with the automated material handling. So he transformed his factory from the basic factory to a smart factory. Try to use a robotics also to his application. The idea is that he want to grow the number of products he can make. So earlier he was making a smaller number of products. He may not be able to address the need of all the OEMs, mostly MNCs he want to target. Now with this kind of an improvement, he is in a position to do a better, bring out a better business to him actually. And certainly a lot of savings for him by reducing the rejections. So I think now he's a happy person today, and that's how